This, dear friends, is the life-giving, immune-boosting honeysuckle. If you're worried about viruses, this is your friend. And this time period is the time to harvest. So, if you can get out and find them in your rural neighborhood, I would suggest you do so at your earliest convenience, because by the time May arrives, they will probably have dried up or fallen from their leaves, from their stems. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, honeysuckle. This is your antiviral friend. Resources and sources will be included at the bottom of this video. And they smell fabulous. It's best to get them probably first thing in the morning before the bees and the wasps are out here trying to do their thing, because they want some of that too.